Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Insider TV for the first of the month, November 1st. It's Wednesday morning. Thanks for joining us here. We are seeing mostly higher grain prices overnight, except for winter wheat contracts, which are seeing some technical weakness once again. The U.S. dollar is a little bit higher, and that is weighing on the wheat futures. Corn and beans finding some very mild support, light buying interest this morning. The rains that we've been talking about from southern Brazil have moved north into some of the dry areas of north and eastern Brazil, and those dry areas are shrinking. What's happening in Argentina is a little bit concerning. That's attracting a little bit of buying interest as some of those areas are forecast to receive less than normal rainfall over the next 30 days. And that, as I said, attracting a little buying interest. Plus, we're into deliveries for November beans. A lot of times that'll give us a reason to rally. Deliveries not very heavy. Only 47 contracts against a November contract, and we're still respecting the uptrend line. So good reasons to bounce here in the soybean market. But overnight, very muted rally attempt. News has been pretty quiet this week as far as exports, and I think they will continue to be. Soybeans, corn as well, really need some export business to try and move their way higher. Corn is hovering above contract lows. We're starting to hear some yield reports from producers that are, as they get into some later planted hybrids, yielding not nearly as well as the earlier planted corn. And also there's some damage because of excessive winds in Nebraska, parts of Dakotas, and northern Iowa that have flattened some corn and making it noticeable yield losses. In the cattle futures and hogs, actually, we saw big gains yesterday. We could give some of those gains back today as it's the first of the month. We could see a little position squaring, but huge moves yesterday in both live feeders and lean hogs. A lot of technical buying, a lot of new money flowing into this cattle and hog pits here, and don't see that really changing anytime soon. Pullbacks expect to be pretty well supported. Cash markets look strong this week for both hogs and for cattle. Cattle, no trade yet. In fact, no packer bids. Fed online auction will be held this morning. Have a great day. Good luck, good trading. We hope to talk to you soon. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.